crawl space. And this one, that bad. Just got in. Just feel like, hey, let me record this one. Just got padded. Just gonna take his filter he already had down there instead of get out. Instead of having to get out and get one. There's no tilt. Never mind. Alright, here we go. It's some maintenance, thankfully. And this thing is old. I think it's from 1988. 1988 train. But it looks like that filter. So that filter system looks new. I need to stop that. There's the filter. Check everything up. So I'll just finish up. And while I was working, I found the light. So that's what we did. Been brining everything up. Everything checked out pretty good. No need for a filter change on this anyways. It's an old system, 1988. I wasn't even thought of. I wasn't even born yet, 1988. Man, you know how long ago 1988 was? Sorry for everybody who was born in 1988. Making me sound old right now, but man, that's so long ago, man. AC still running like a puppy. That's just how they used to make them back in the day. They used to just make them to where they could just last long as you keep them watchful and maintenance them all the time. They last you for tons of time. But yeah, 1988 system working pretty good. Not that bad of a crawl space to be built in 1988 years. That's what I'm guessing it's been up since 1988, probably before 1988, but it's not that bad. Let's go ahead and get out. Let's try not to scrape the knees. Let's scrape the knees. Almost out. Yeah. Different system right there. Next one. We're back at another crawl space. I've already been inside this one, but go check on the dehumidifier. Go change the filter, wash it off on that one. Some dog poop over there. It's not that bad of one. It's a tight space, lots of spiders though. It was a lot. I sat here for probably about 5 minutes killing spiders. Not that bad. With a dehumidifier right there. Shouldn't be no more spider webs in my way. Oh, I'm hoping that's not a wet spot. Might just be. Yeah, let's just come down here and wash the filter off. She was saying it's not dehumidifying. House, say her house hit about 80% humidity, which is crazy, yo. I mean, 80%, like damn. But see what that filter looks like. I just wanted to have two in this, so I'm gonna come with two. I believe this is the only one. That's the only one. Just we'll make sure this even is on. Yeah, so it's on. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, I hear water dripping. Want to make sure the water's not dripping into the unit. Nope, it's not. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out and wash this. Wash this a little bit. almost failed. Oh, but no shit in there. Alright. Water right here. Yeah, I'm gonna wash this off a little bit and see what I can do for it. Alright, so I just finished washing that up. About to go over here back in. And man, it smells like straight dog crap, man. I mean, there's some poop right there. But man, that thing is strong. It has to be some more back here somewhere. Has to be. This is what I tripped on. Oh man, man, I don't know. Did I step? I don't know if I stepped, man. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh man, that's awful. That's awful. Filter still well. I watched that for about 10 minutes. Let me look how the airflow goes. Man, I don't know. It probably was the wind that's pushing it back on me. But man, that stuff is awful, bro. It's back in. But yeah, that's basically really it. Talk to you guys in the next crawl space. Yeah, another crawl space. This one looks pretty good. Give me some keys. Let's see which key it is. Oh, buddy. Doesn't want to open up. Oh, man, I hate messing with these locks. Oh, first try. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Walk-in. What's that? 16 by 25 by 1. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go grab the filter real quick. Come back in. Alright. Let's get in here. That's a pretty nice one. Pretty roomy. Got space to walk around. Now the real question is, there's no light. Is there a light switch? Oh, light switch right there, I think. Oh, and jet pot. Ah, but it's spider webs. Holy crap, that's like a whole living space down here. Oh, spider webs all in my face. My bad, guys. That's fine. Get that out. Alright, so the unit's right there. Just knock these spider webs down. Alright, I'm not gonna get over there. There, roaches everywhere. Oh crap. How am I? Which side is it on? That's the real question. Oh, it's over there. I see it. So, just slide that. There. Down there. No, it's tart. I'm about to mess my knees up. What's that? Dehumidifier. Oh, I gotta check that too. Yeah, I do. Alright, there you go. Like I said, it's pretty roomy down here. That's the first time I've seen tart even on the walls. Like, what? Oh, it's crazy. It's actually pretty nice down here. It's like hella spider webs I gotta knock off. But that's all I'm gonna get underneath this freaking pipe. It's crazy. Look at the color comparison. Yeah, my camera turned off on me, so I don't know how much I recorded just now, but yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at right now. Thing was pretty great. As you can see, difference. Let's put this bad boy in there. I feel like I keep hearing somebody at the door back there. I don't know, I'm just getting paranoid. But I keep hearing something at the door. And I kind of don't like that. I really don't. Alright, put this back in there. Make sure I put it in the right way. Alright, here we're going that way. killing it. That boy in there like that. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get this maintenance out the way and head that crap out. So, I just finished up here. The maintenance, everything checked out pretty good. Oh no, what's wrong? Everything checked out. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I guess I'll give you guys a face reaction of how it goes when you try to leave a crawl space. So, crawl space isn't that bad. Let's see if I can give you guys a look. That's all the way down there. Now, it's all about options, of course, about getting out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is throw the old filter down there. Hang on out. Oh man. Almost out. Just duck underneath. Gotta hop over this. Should be good. Spider web right there. Oh, let me block it. Pull that out. Look around, make sure there's nothing around you. You'll be good. Just a good light switch. Check it out for me out. Ooh, there's nothing else. God, come on, let's put that right there. Where we at? Whew. Not bad. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you later.